This time what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate our clip. So we've got two of the same clip on two separate layers with our track matte on top, and just trim that down to size. This time what I want to do is I want this clip to be a different color, or like faded black and white, or I could even blur that background. We'll keep it simple and just go black and white. And then I want it to animate on using the track matte, so then it reveals everything in color and then dissolves to color. So using the same process we did before, we're going to take our layer below our track matte, we're going to nest that, we're going to go to effects and find our track matte key, and I'm going to apply that to our nested footage. Got effect controls, set it up, so we're dealing with Illumimat, and now it's living on V3. You play that through, nothing happens. Why? Because this clip here is exactly the same as the clip above it. So let's start changing something to one of these two clips. And I'm wanting to change the bottom clip because we want that to be black and white going into color. This top clip is already color and will show up in the shape of that track matte. Easy way just to add some black and white is just to use one of the pre-built LUTs that come with Premiere Pro. So you can see if I disable that track matte there and the nested sequence, just an all black and white clip. Okay, and you can see it dissolves rectangle by rectangle into color. And doing what I did last time, we can just trim back the track matte, cut our nested colored footage there, go into our effect controls and delete the track matte. Then add a film dissolve, so then the entire clip is color.